Hello friends, today we're going to draw Optimus Prime. At the beginning of the video, we will fast forward to show you how to draw his head. As a transformer, many of the lines are straight, so we use a ruler to assist us. We will start our step-by-step tutorial momentarily. Are you ready? Now let's begin. Draw a straight line as the edge of its helmet. Below this line, let's draw his eyes. Why don't Transformers have pupils?
Transformers don't have pupils because they're robots, not biological beings like humans or animals. Pupils are part of the anatomy of creatures with eyes that adjust to light levels, which isn't necessary for robots.
Now let's draw his metal faceplate, which can look like a mask. Draw an upside down letter V. Extend the line on both sides. It looks like a W. Now let's draw the lower edge of his faceplate.
Be aware the height of the center of his faceplate is the same length as the horizontal line above his eyes.
Next, let's continue drawing the helmet on both sides of his cheeks.
We also have another Optimus Prime and Bumblebee video. Feel free to check it out. Subscribe to our channel and have fun drawing along with us.
The thickness of the helmet is approximately 1 centimeter. Next, let's move on to the upper half of his helmet. Let's add the first pair of antennas to the helmet. It's about 5 centimeters long. Now let's add the exhaust vents on his helmet. Why he needs it.
Exhaust vents on a Transformer's helmet are likely for heat dissipation or to release excess energy generated during intense activities, similar to how real-world machines have vents for cooling purposes. Transformers often engage in high-energy activities, so these vents would help regulate their internal temperature and prevent overheating.
Let's draw the upper edge of the helmet. Add more details to the vents. We move on to draw the headsets on both sides of the helmet. Let's draw 2 arcs in the position of his ears. Start from the height of the line above his eyes. It looks like earwarmers.
Maybe it's a headset.
Now let's add the second pair of antennas above the headset. It's about the same height as the 2 antennas in front of them. Next, we add some more details to the sides of its helmet. Let's add more details to his faceplate. Let's add 2 speakers on the helmet. Actually, I'm not quite sure if they are speakers. Maybe they're 2 more exhaust vents. Continue to add more details to the upper half of the helmet. Now we've finished outlining Optimus Prime. It's time to color it in. You can pause the video if you need more time.
Remember to leave some white space for highlights to represent the metallic shine. You can also use darker shades in the shadowed areas to make it look more 3D.
We've done drawing Optimus Prime. We hope you had fun drawing along with us. See you next time. Bye!